Stay prepared outdoors with the Laffizz Outdoor Torch Lighter Set, featuring a USB rechargeable dual arc lighter and a butane torch lighter. Built for adventure, both lighters have waterproof, windproof designs with metal ring-sealed covers and locking clasps, ideal for rainy or windy conditions. The dual arc lighter charges in 1.5 hours, lasting a week, while the torch produces a 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit jet flame, perfect for thicker wood. Compact and durable, these lighters are made of silicone rubber and zinc alloy, making them essential tools for camping, hiking, or fishing. Gear up with dependable ignition anywhere. Upgrade your outdoor experience with the Urban Deco Portable Table, perfect for camping, picnics, or grilling. Featuring adjustable legs, 17.6 inch to 25.6, for uneven surfaces and a roll-up aluminum tabletop, this lightweight table is easy to set up and pack. It weighs only 9.9 pounds and includes a mesh storage layer for essentials. The heat-resistant, rust-proof surface ensures durability, while the compact design fits into its included carrying bag. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue or embarking on a camping trip, this table combines convenience, portability, and long-lasting performance. Experience ultimate portability and comfort with the TOBTOS Ultralight Camping Chair. Weighing just 2.8 pounds and folding to 14.9 inches by 6.3 inches, it's easy to pack for any adventure. The sturdy aluminum frame supports up to 330 pounds and assembles in under 30 seconds. Its ergonomic design ensures stability and comfort, while the side storage bag keeps essentials like drinks or phones within reach. Ideal for camping, hiking, and beach trips, this compact chair offers a blend of lightweight convenience and dependable comfort for outdoor enthusiasts everywhere. Take on any weather with the OneTigris Backwoods Bungalow Shelter, designed for serious campers. Made from 75D ripstop nylon with a 1,500mm waterproof rating, it protects you in rain or harsh conditions. This A-frame tent offers dual functionality. Keep the canopy up for a porch or zip it into a fully enclosed tent. Ventilation is maximized with a mesh door and rear vent. Easy to set up with natural supports or pegs, it's lightweight yet durable, featuring YKK zippers and reinforced grommets. Perfect for all seasons, it's your ultimate camping companion. Sleep comfortably anywhere with the Suteck folding camping cot. Designed for durability, it features a 25mm steel frame and 200D Oxford fabric, supporting up to 500 pounds. A removable soft pad adds extra comfort, while its elevated design aligns with your natural curves, reducing back or neck pain. Compact and foldable, it's easy to transport and set up, ideal for camping, road trips, or office naps. The large side pocket holds essentials like phones or water bottles. Lightweight and portable, this cot is your go-to for a restful night outdoors. Stay cozy outdoors with the MEREZA double sleeping bag, built for two adventurers. Spacious enough for individuals up to 7 feet tall, it provides warmth with synthetic insulation and a cold weather temperature rating. Easily convert it into two separate sleeping bags or blankets with its wraparound zippers. The 3D hood retains body heat, while draft tubes prevent cold air intrusion. It includes 2 pillows for added comfort and a compression bag for compact storage. Whether camping, hiking, or backpacking, this versatile sleeping bag ensures a restful night's sleep wherever you are. Relax outdoors with the Sunyear Camping Double Hammock, built from durable 210T parachute nylon and mosquito netting for bug-free comfort. Supporting up to 595 pounds, it's perfect for 2 adults or kids. The hammock includes straps, carabiners, and net ropes for easy setup. Its breathable net keeps insects away while offering an unobstructed view of the stars. Lightweight and packable, it's ideal for hiking, backpacking, or camping. Use it as a sleeping bed or lounging hammock, an essential addition to your outdoor gear for ultimate relaxation. Cook anywhere with a Naturehike 2-burner folding stove, delivering 16,000 BTUs of cooking power. Perfect for camping or tailgating, it features adjustable burners and a built-in griddle for versatile meal prep. The piezo ignition ensures quick lighting, and stepless heat control makes cooking precise. Weighing only 5.5 pounds, it folds into a compact size for portability. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, this durable stove stands up to the elements, making it your reliable outdoor cooking companion for eggs, burgers, or gourmet meals on the go. Relax in comfort with a fair wind oversized camping chair, designed for outdoor enthusiasts. Its reinforced steel frame supports up to 450 pounds, while the padded ripstop polyester fabric ensures lasting durability. The oversized seat and lumbar support make long hours comfortable. Features include a neck rest, cross-bracing hubs for stability, an insulated drink holder, and a cell phone pocket. Measuring 39.76 inches by 37.5 inches by 28 inches, it's perfect for camping, tailgating, or barbecues. Built for convenience and support, this chair redefines outdoor relaxation for any activity. Sleep comfortably in the G4 Free Camping Hammock, made from durable 210T nylon with a built-in mosquito net. Its breathable fabric ensures comfort while keeping bugs at bay. Measuring 110 inches by 55 inches, it supports up to 595 pounds and fits 2 adults. The hammock includes tree straps, carabiners, and shock cords for easy setup. Zip it up for full protection or unzip for traditional use. Lightweight and compact, it's easy to carry on hikes, camping trips, or backpacking adventures. This hammock combines functionality and comfort, ensuring a restful outdoor experience.